everybody. This is making prison beans. So you're going to need water getting boiled. We're going to need a bowl and some prison beans. So you're going to open this after you turn on the water. Dump it in. And then you wait for the water to be boiling. This is the prison beans. I've had them once before. They are very good. So I hope you guys are going to enjoy this. Oh, and this is the packets. And I'm going to get out the measuring cup. 2 cups. Here we go. And I'm going to get a spoon. We're going to use the spoon. Okay. I'm going to put that right here. Here we go. All done. This water is boiling hot. One. 2. There we go. 2 scoops of very hot water. And then I'm going to start stirring. See, it looks all watery at first, but it won't in a minute. And then I'll show you when it's done. So let me finish stirring this real quick. So, stirred it. I'm gonna stir it some more. There. Now I'm gonna cover that up. And then I'm gonna put this, and then I'm gonna clean up my mess while I am waiting. So, see, when you're waiting 5 minutes, you should just start cleaning up your mess. Now we're going to wait 5 minutes. We are gonna be having prison beans in a minute, so yeah. Bon appetit. I like to say that word when sometimes. So I'm going to ask my mom if she would like to come in and tell us about prison beans. Okay, 1 minute. Mom, would you like to come in and tell us about prison beans?
Okay, so I'm a January 6th defendant, and in prison there wasn't a lot of clean food to eat, and this was one of the few things I would eat off of commissary, and so I ate quite a bit of prison beans, and I bought a couple bags and had them sent home in my personal property so my family could try them.
They are delicious. You might have seen it in a video my mom made last night, and she was unpacking all her prison belongings. So you might have, if you've seen that, these prison beans were in that video. See, it's gonna look a little watery, but if you stir it, it's gonna look not as watery. So after I finish stirring this, I'm gonna show you it. So I hope you guys are going to enjoy this video. So the watery, you just need to stir in until the water is gone. Here we go. That's better. So I'm gonna put this camera up and show you. So these are prison beans. Very nice. So when they get watery at the end, just stir them up. That is all. So hope you enjoy. They're delicious. So, bon appetit. Goodbye. So, if you guys have any questions, leave a comment or send a text.